Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for clicking the link again. Today I just want to talk to you about what we offer differently here at Travers Miran Realty. We have a full-service in-house renovation studio here in our office, which I like to refer to as a used home sales center. Many of you have been in a new community, a new development that's being built or is halfway through construction, and you walk into that sales center and you will often see a full renovation center there for the people to purchase their home, then design it how they want right there on site. The beautiful thing here at Travers Miran Realty is we have that for used homes. The beauty in it is that you can now offer your clients a completely different experience in buying what we always refer to as a resale home. Every home that is on the MLS is generally a resale home, and what we're seeing lately is a lot of people want the homes to be exactly what they picture in their minds, with beautiful countertops, redone bathrooms, great accents on the walls. But homes in their price range may not have that, or homes in their range may also not have what they're looking for. What you can now do is offer your client the ability to purchase a home with them, bring them back into our renovation studio, and make that house exactly what they want it to be, for very low cost and while rolling all the renovation costs into their home purchase mortgage. It's a phenomenal opportunity. It's a great way to separate yourself from the competition. It makes us completely unique, and if you'd like to learn more about it, I'd love to tell you more about it. So give me a call, shoot me an email, and respond to this email that you've received. And I look forward to talking to you soon and talking more about our renovation center. Take care, guys. Talk to you more soon.